We are going to build a fully automated storefront that finds its own products, writes its own listings, and creates its own video ads. The entire setup relies on dropshipping. When a customer orders from your site, the supplier ships it directly to them. You hold zero inventory. You handle zero logistics, and we are letting AI manage all the heavy lifting. To build this system alongside me, you need a computer, an email address, and less than $5 to cover the initial software trials. We aren't going to write a single line of code, and we are not locking up large amounts of upfront cash. In the past, setting up an e-commerce infrastructure required weeks of trial and error and thousands of dollars. Today, a handful of interconnected AI tools can do the exact same thing in a single afternoon. Step 1 is deciding what to sell. An effective way to find products people are actually buying right now is to open a fresh Instagram account and engage with every dropshipping ad you see. Once you have a solid list of trending items, feed that data into ChatGPT and ask it to identify a profitable niche based on those trends. For this build, our results pointed directly to the pet market. Next, we need the website infrastructure. We use a free tool called Build Your Store. You select your target niche and choose 2 store banners to set the overall aesthetic. Look for clean designs that clearly highlight your target market without making the page look cluttered. From there, the tool guides you to create a Shopify account. We link the 2 platforms together using your store URL and activate a Shopify trial that typically costs exactly $1 a month for the first 3 months. As you navigate this setup, the platform will heavily prompt you to upgrade to a premium tier. Protect your testing budget by looking for the tiny, grayed-out skip buttons hiding underneath the massive upgrade prompts. Click Skip Customize Setup and intentionally choose the Continue with Basic Store option. Decline any Pro Store editions they offer. Keeping the initial build strictly minimalist secures a clean, functional foundation for the store, keeping your capital free for when you actually start driving traffic. Now that we have the shell of the website, we need inventory. To pull high-converting products directly into the store, we install the AutoDS app. Inside AutoDS, navigate to the Trending Products section. This area uses its own analytics to flag items that are already selling well. Click the pet icon to filter the list, and import 10 to 15 promising items into your drafts folder. Direct imports pull in raw data from the supplier, which is usually a mess of clunky keywords or broken English like New Year 2026 dog toy. Leaving these untouched destroys buyer trust immediately. We want clear titles like Interactive Pet Enrichment Ball. Instead of manually editing 15 listings, select all your drafts at once and choose the Bulk AI Rewrite option for titles and descriptions. The AI automatically strips out the irrelevant dates and keyword stuffing, replacing them with professional copy. Once the rewrite is done, hit Save and Import to push the finished products straight to your live storefront. The formatting and clarity of the product page dictate how customers perceive the brand. Professional, optimized descriptions separate a store that looks like a scam from one that drives consistent sales. Customers decide whether to trust a website in about 3 seconds. To pass that test, the store needs a customized domain name and a polished logo. We secure a .store domain directly through the build interface. Then, we ask ChatGPT for a detailed image prompt based on our store name and run that prompt through an AI image generator called Nano Banana to get our final logo. With the website visually complete, we shift focus to generating traffic. The most effective ads are user-generated content, or UGC. We use an AI platform called AI UGC to manufacture these videos from scratch. Paste the URL of your top product straight into the tool. Then browse the AI avatars and select a presenter who matches the specific demographic of your target customer. The system automatically generates a script, but you must check its work. The AI frequently fixates on minor details, like water resistance. Delete the generic focus and write a sentence highlighting the true unique selling point, like the built-in AirTag holder. Once the script is locked in, the tool renders a highly realistic avatar delivering a direct, compelling pitch for your specific product. By linking data-driven product sourcing with artificially generated organic-looking video ads, we have built a continuous, hands-off sales funnel. We have successfully built a fully integrated e-commerce ecosystem, complete with targeted branding, automated fulfillment, and customized advertising material. But before we send a single dollar to an ad platform, we conduct a mandatory real-world check. Order sample products directly to your own house to personally verify the build quality and the actual shipping times. only after the physical items arrive and meet your expectations do you activate your meta ads and begin driving paid traffic to the listings. The tools available right now allow you to set up a complete business infrastructure, from domain registration to promotional video, in less than an hour, ready to scale. If you want to learn exactly how to grow these automated systems, hit subscribe.